Have you ever seen those super satisfying epoxy flooring videos on social media? Yeah, the ones that suddenly blow up and get millions of views. And today, I'll show you how to make one easily using Higgsfield.ai. All right, let's jump straight in. Step 1. Prepare the prompt. First thing first, you need the prompt. Just go to the website I linked in the description to get the master prompt. From there, all you need to do is change the room type. For example, I'm going to use a gaming room. Once that's done, select the prompt, copy it, open ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit send. ChatGPT will automatically generate 4 image prompts and 3 video prompts, all ready to use. Easy. Step 2. Generate the images. Now, let's move on to Higgsfield. Open Higgsfield.ai, the link is also in the description, and log in. Tap Create, then go to the Images section. Here, you'll see all the image generation models. I'm using Nano Banana Pro. Paste your first image prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, choose your quality, 1K, 2K, or even 4K, then click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Boom, image number 1 is done. Download it. For image 2, upload the first image so the result stays consistent. Paste image prompt number 2, generate, and download. Repeat the same process for image 3 and 4 by uploading the previous image each time. Step 3. Generate the videos. Still inside Higgsfield, now switch to the Videos section. I'm choosing VO 3.1 here. Upload image 1 as the first frame and image 2 as the last frame. Paste the first video prompt from ChatGPT, set the quality to 1080p, aspect ratio 9:16, and duration around 8 seconds, or adjust it to your liking. Click Generate, and wait a few minutes. And just like that, your first video is done. Download it. Now repeat the same steps for video 2 and video 3, then combine all the clips using any video editing app you like. And that's it! Your AI epoxy flooring video is ready to upload and ready to go viral. If you want to create viral AI videos without complicated setups, Higgsfield.ai makes everything insanely easy. Try it out, experiment with different rooms, and who knows, your next video might be the one that hits millions of views.